Geeta's grandmother. Geeta's grandmother. She always. Geeta. 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 I so much desirefully put my mother name to my parents, but she damaging that respect. No one is taking care of me. Geeta!
What, Grandpa?
Are you not listening my voice? Why all people are doing like this?
I am reading, I am doing my homework. How can I listen your words?
Come, Masuji.
What you want, Grandpa?
Geeta, yesterday the whole night I was remember my morning days. My childhood, my marriages. How is there to the no I didn't do it.
Why,
I
Grandpa?
thought whole night, Ma.
What
So
happened?
that's why I'm getting it. You're seeing your grandmother period. We're taking care of her.
She is very good now. What happened?
Everyone looks like with your grandfather. I'm getting so much irritated to me. Will you do one help for me?
Say, Grandpa, what kind of help you want?
I'm getting it. Go to the medical shop.
Okay, Grandpa.
I'm buying medicine for you.
Okay, Grandpa.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't need money?
Money, I want money. Without money, how I can buy
Asa!
Give me money. Then I will go to the medical shop and I will bring your medicines.
Let I afford this money.
Okay, Grandpa.
Which medicine you will be buying for me?
Do you want headache medicine or some other
Oh,
medicines?
no. I'm not very good with my health, ma. Don't get other medicine. Only headache. But repeat once again, which medicine?
Headache medicine.
Headache, remember.
This time compulsory. I will bring headache medicine only, Grandpa.
Headache medicine.
I won't do like last time.
Like what says the which you are asking. How much I pay to shop, I don't need know.
Okay, Grandpa.
Okay, ma?
This time I won't forget anything.
Oh, you know the medical shop?
Yes, Grandpa.
Go slowly.
That shop is very behind to the sweet shop only.
Our side uncles nearby your medicine they have there. Okay. Go carefully, ma.
Okay,
Her
Grandpa.
medicine name is headache, ma.
Okay, Grandpa. Compulsory. This time I won't forget.
First visit, please.
Okay, Grandpa. Wow, so many sweets are here. It is a sweet shop. They will be very tasty. First I will go to the sweet shop, then I will go to the medical shop. Okay.
Welcome, children.
Welcome, uncle. Thank you, uncle. What kind of sweets do you have in your
Jalebi,
shop?
laddu, jangri, laddu.
Okay. How much it costs?
The laddu is 5 rupees, jalebi 6 rupees, jangri 10 rupees.
Okay, uncle. Give me one jalebi.
Okay. Which jalebi?
I
Sugar
want
jalebi or cane sugar jalebi?
sugar jalebi. I want.
Okay.
Give me that one.
Which color? Why,
That
red color?
Red color. I
Red
want
color.
that red color jalebi.
Okay.
It will be tasty or not?
Very tasty.
Okay, uncle. Give it to me. Okay. Take the money.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, uncle. Bye, uncle.
Okay, bye.
Hi, Geeta. Hi, Sita. How are you? I'm fine, Sita. How are you? I'm fine also. What are you doing here? Just now I buy the sweets now. Do you want sweet? Yes. want to taste it?
Yes, I want.
The shop is very nearby. Let's go to the shop and buy some more sweets. Okay? Let's go to the shop now. Uncle, just now you gave me one sweet, na?
Yes.
Sweet, Sita, which type of sweets do you like most? See, there are laddus, jamuns, janggeries. See, what kind of sweets you want?
I want this type of sweet.
Okay, uncle, give me one sweet jalebi.
Jalebi. Okay. Take this, mama. Okay. Give me, mama. Okay.
Okay, Sita, let's
Thank
go
you.
and eat now.
Thank you. Please visit again and again.
Okay, thank you,
Go to another
uncle.
shop.
Bye, uncle.
Okay.
Okay, Sita's hand, taste it.
Wow, it's very delicious.
Yes, Sita, it's very really nice and very tasty. Do you want one more sweet?
Yes, I want.
Another sweet. Another sweet. Do you want to taste it? Let's go to the sweet shop again. Okay. Uncle, give me laddu.
Okay.
Uncle, is this your photo?
Yeah. My childhood.
Okay, thank you, Uncle. Thank you
Uncle,
for
at that time you are very young, but now you became very old, uncle.
Age girl.
Okay, how much it cost, uncle?
3 rupees.
Legacy is your money.
So, Geeta,
Okay,
I
I
will
will
take
take. Okay, uncle, take it. Okay. Bye, uncle.
Thank you, Geeta. Thank you for your treat.
Okay, thank you. Welcome, Sita. Let's eat now.
Wow, the sweets in the sheets.
Yes, very nice, very tasty. Actually, for what purpose you came out?
I went to my grandmother's home at 5 p.m. We have a party with my grandmother.
Okay, grandmother. It's now 5 p.m.
Yes, it's already.
Oh no, Sita, I forgot to bring medicines for my grandfather. I came out to bring medicines for my grandfather.
Oh, it's
Unfortunately, I stopped here in front of the sweet shop. I'm eating sweets. This time I won't forget. I will go to the medical shop and bring that. Oh no, the medical shop is closed now. What I have to do? Shit. Every time I will forget like this only. Now if I will go to the home, my grandfather will definitely scold me. Again I will get scoldings. Let's go to the home. Grandpa! Grandpa! Wake up, Grandpa! Always you sleepy only.
Came on, beta.
Yes, Grandpa.
Outside.
Yes, Grandpa. It is very hot outside. Actually, I went to the medical shop, but the medical shop is closed. Grandpa, what I have to do?
If I wanted to scold you, I put my mother's name. How can I scold you?
That's why you don't scold me. You shut your mouth and sit calmly.
Then what about me and my health? You also say I can become like your grandmother. Everybody wants my picture, but not me.
Don't scold me, Grandpa.
Stand up, Gita. Stand up.
Right, Grandpa?
Gita, can't you notice? Day by day you are becoming. Poor mama, you have to take care about yourself. Can't you take responsibilities?
Yes, Grandpa. From next time onwards, I won't repeat it.
I'm bothering about you. We can't stay with you all the time, all your life. You have to learn, take responsibilities.
Okay, Grandpa. From next time onwards, I won't forget anything, Grandpa.
Geeta, I would prepare lunch box. Take this for your sister.
Okay,
Don't forget.
Okay, mom. I won't forget. I will go after some time. Now I will do my work.
Circus.
Okay. Now I will go to my sister's school and give lunchbox to my sister. Wow, here it is a big circus in our village. Oh, I can't see it. Wow, there are very big elephants, very big zebras, and horse too. Wow, so many animals are here. First time I am seeing the circus. Wow. I will spend my time here. I will see the circus and after that I will go to the school. Okay, wow, so many animals are here. There are monkeys also. Wow, so beautiful to look here. Okay. So many animals are here. Time is becoming late. I will go to the home now. Mom, I forgot to give this lunchbox to sister.
How will you forget it, Buddha?
Actually, I went, but in the middle of the school, I seen a big circus. So that's why I stopped there and seen the circus.
I told you, firstly, you don't forget it.
Yes, mom. But after seeing the circus, I am very excited. So
Yes.
that's why I stopped there, mom.
Why, Ma? She is empty stomach from school.
Yes, mom. But I am really sorry about that. Next time onwards, I won't repeat it again.
Okay. Be careful.
Okay, mom.
Geeta, Geeta, where are you, beta? Come here.
Dad.
Come here, beta. I am India. Hurry, beta. I am late for my job. Now I am going to take my bath. I will be back in few minutes.
Okay, Dad.
Take this shirt and iron this shirt and get ready for me. Okay, beta.
Dad. Definitely, Dad.
Okay, my daughter is very good girl.
Okay, Dad.
Okay.
This time, I will definitely do this iron to my dad shirt, and I will be appreciated by my dad. So let's do the iron.
Mango, mango, taza taza mango, fresh mango, bangin mango. Buy it, any can buy it. Get one, buy one. Buy one, get one.
How much, sir?
It's 50 rupees, sir.
I want one, sir.
Sir,
I want one.
you?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mango, mango, bangin mango.
Wow, mangoes in here. Mango uncle,
Can you
what kind of mangoes do you have?
bangin mango,
Okay, uncle.
sweet mango,
Okay.
juice mango.
Okay, I love the mangoes, uncle.
Okay,
I want one mango, uncle.
okay, take it.
Okay, thank you, uncle. Take this money.
Mango, mango, bangin mango.
Okay,
Some
wow,
bunny smell
what
is
a
coming. Some actual bunny
tasty
smell is coming.
mangoes.
What is it?
Delicious mango.
Oh God!
Guys.
Oh my daughter. Geeta, where are you? Come here.
Hi, Dad. What happened, Dad?
What I have told you? Tell me.
You told me to iron the shirt.
But you did not iron the shirt, but you put a hole in the shirt. What is this, Geeta?
I forgot, Dad. Actually, I am doing the iron. I want to be appreciated by you.
What is this, Geeta? By appreciating means
But the
you
fellows fruit seller uncle came in front of the home. That's why I went to the mango to buy the
The
mangoes.
shed has already 2 holes for hands. Why you made this? Is this summer fashion shed? Huh? What is this?
And
Your lack of concentration and your diversion. Reason
don't
for this?
scold me, Dad.
Huh?
If you want to scold me, you will scold that fruit seller. Why he came in front of the home, Dad?
If I scold you, will not beat me. If I scold fruit seller, he will beat me. Okay, Geeta, I am very upset with this behavior of yours. Okay, go to your room now.
Okay, Dad.
Very bad girl.
Next time onwards I won't repeat that. Always everyone will scold me like this. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, children. Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Have you done your breakfast?
Yes, teacher.
Have you done your homework which I was given yesterday?
Yes, teacher.
Jyoti, what you have done yesterday homework? Show me. Very good. But write neatly, ma'am. This is not fair. Okay? And I wanna something special for you. Anyone guess it?
What, madam? Is there any exhibition or excursion?
Something related. But we will go to picnic tomorrow.
Wow. Sita, picnic?
Yes.
Tomorrow we are going to picnic, Sita.
And one thing, tomorrow you all bring your lunch box yourself only. And note, we will not provide lunch, okay?
Okay, teacher.
And last one thing, note, bring some delicious food for me also. Okay,
Teacher,
ma'am?
teacher, I will bring sambar tomorrow. Why? Because my mom prepares very delicious sambar.
Very good, Geeta. Bring your sambar. I will taste it and appreciate your mom and you.
Okay, teacher.
All children, all,
I will get
and you will take some, for me your gulab jamun and your sambar. I will taste all your delicious dishes. And one thing last, tomorrow you will be here at sharp 9 o'clock. Okay, beta?
Okay, teacher.
Compulsory. You all will come. I hope. And last, time is up, mama. Lunch time is up. Lunch is take lunch and bye, mama.
Okay, we are going to picnic. I will stay in the home. Tomorrow I will make my mom to make a delicious sambar tomorrow. Mom, where are you, Mom?
Hi, beta. Come.
Mom,
Yeah,
tomorrow we are going to picnic, Mom. I am very excited, Mom.
Okay, beta.
Tomorrow you have to make a delicious sambar, Mom.
Okay, beta. I will prepare.
Okay, delicious and very tasty sambar you have to prepare. So everyone will taste it and they will appreciate me and you also.
Okay, beta. I will
Compulsory you
I
have to
will
prepare. Okay, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
I will prepare.
Okay, Mom.
You take this.
Thank you, Mom.
Grandpa, we are going with you.
Grandpa, we are going to picnic. Grandpa.
Picnic, beta.
Yes, Grandpa.
Do you need any money? Ask me. What a picture is my packet.
How much you will give, Ma? Just you will give only 10 rupees. But the 10 rupees, nothing will come, Grandpa.
Where's your papa?
Papa?
Boy,
Where is
boy.
Papa?
Listen only you.
I'm not giving money to the Geeta.
You are giving money, no? That's why I am not giving money.
She is grand.
Yes.
She is grandchild to me. But your
My
own
daughter.
daughter.
Yes.
Not to give money with you. You want beta.
Okay, Pa.
Take care about her.
Okay, Pa.
Don't
Okay,
fear, Geeta.
Grandpa.
I am always with you,
Okay,
beta.
Grandpa. My dear family members too, I am very excited. Tomorrow we are going to picnic. Tomorrow morning. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Grandpa. Wow. Tomorrow I am going to picnic with my friends. Wow, how it will be! I will enjoy there. I will play games with my friends also. Okay, now let us sleep. It's time to go to bed.
Ready to picnic. I will prepare some items. Especially, I prepared very tasty sambar for us. I will prepare. Complete this sambar. Gita, where are you, ma? Gita,
Say, ma.
what are you doing?
Sleeping, ma.
You
Don't disturb me, ma.
go picnic.
Yes, ma.
I will prepare very tasty sambar completely.
Okay,
I
ma.
go to temple. You just added 5 spoons of salt. Okay?
Okay, ma.
Okay?
Okay, ma.
Remember it. Okay? Don't forget.
Okay, ma.
Geeta can never remember anything. She will forget add the salt. I will add the salt from 5 spoons of salt from the sambar.
Is Geeta heard her mother's voice on? The whole family suffering with her short-term memory. Very bad. I think this time also she might forget. It's better to add salt in the sambar. Oh, Rama.
When I was brushing, mother said to Geeta add 5 spoons of salt. So she will definitely forget my sister. I know about my sister. I will do one thing. I will add 5 spoons of salt in the sambar. Now it was ready to eat.
Last time I gave my shirt to Geeta to iron. Now it became cleaning club. That's why I am ironing my shirt now only. Oh, I remember that her mother told her to add 5 spoons of salt to sambar. She will be definitely forget that. Okay, I am now becoming chef. Okay, 1 spoon of salt, second spoon of salt, third spoon of salt, fourth spoon of salt, fifth spoon of salt. Okay, the smell is very good. It will be delicious.
This Geeta forgets everything. She forgot a lunchbox for me too. So she forgot to add salt. So I will forget it. I will add salt. 1. Mom told to add 5 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it will be very tasty. Yes.
Oh, it's too late. I have to go to the picnic and to the school also. Oh, I forget. Mom told me to add 5 tablespoons of salt to the sambar. Okay, this time I won't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, the aroma of the sambar is very good. I think it will be very tasty. Wow. Okay, let's go to the picnic. Mom. Now we are going to picnic. Wow.
Children, we reached our location. Get on.
The spot is so beautiful. See, Sita, there are waterfalls. See? See there, the picnic spot is very nice. Wow, what a good location it is. Wow.
See that?
See that spot in the picnic?
Please.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it called, teacher?
See, Sita, there is a waterfalls. See, from the mountains, the water is falling down. See there, the location is so beautiful.
Okay.
Wow, what a beautiful it is. I never came here. Did you see it before?
Gita, watch it.
Children, time is up. Let's
It's a
go.
crocodile.
Let's go, children. Get in the bus.
Okay, teacher.
Lunch. I go much better. Lunch bus. Go for lunch, all of you.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
Sita, what you brought today? Yesterday ma'am told to bring very delicious taste.
Yes, I got gulab jamuns for you.
Yes, Sita, show me. I want to taste it now.
Okay, I will share you one.
Okay, Sita.
Teacher.
Thank you, ma'am. Wow, very delicious.
Wow, Sita, it's very nice. I like it very much.
Okay, Gita, what you got today?
I brought sambar, Sita. Do you want to taste it?
Yes.
Okay, I will share with all my friends. And you also taste it. How is it, Sita?
Yes. What is it, Gita?
What happened, Sita?
You got sambar and saltabba.
No, Sita, it is very delicious sambar prepared by my mom.
It's very salty, ma'am.
Okay,
Once you taste it.
just I will taste once. Yes, Sita,
Gita.
it is very salty.
Yes.
Wow, what happened? No, I don't know. My mom prepared very delicious sambar.
What happened to this sambar, Gita?
I don't know, Sita.
Okay. Don't worry about this. Next time you get good delicious sambar.
Is my mom added salt to the sambar or sambar in the salt? What is this, Sita?
Yes,
See, I am very disappointed.
Don't feel, Gita. Go and ask.
I came here to enjoy in the picnic.
No,
But see
Gita,
what
don't
happened.
Don't feel about it. Go and ask your mother what happened to the sambar.
Okay, Sita.
Okay, Gita. Let's go to the house.
Okay. Let's go home. Mom? Mom? See what you did, Mom?
What happened, beta?
What you prepared, Mom? The sambar is very salty. Everyone teasing me, Mom, in the school, in the picnic. No, Mom, what you did? Everyone is teasing me in the picnic. See how it is.
Okay.
I am very excited in the picnic. I am going to picnic. I have to enjoy there. But what happened? See,
Gita, why are you crying?
Granny Grandpa, Grandpa. Everyone teased me in the picnic, Grandpa.
Oh my God. With that, you might enjoy a lot in your picnic.
Did anyone add salt to the sambar?
Yes, I also.
I
Yes,
also
I also
did
did the
when I
same.
I do.
All are showed their cooking skills. That's why sambar is all.
Mom told me to add salt in the sambar. Why you people add salt in the
We
sambar?
thought that you forgot to add salt.
Because you have very good memory now.
Why, Grandpa? Always you will scold me like that.
Because you are my mother.
Saying that I'm your mother, but always you will scold me like that.
Why you all people added salt?
We don't know.
First, why you added, Grandpa?
Because of your care, ma. We forget everything, ma.
But this time I won't forget. I can't forget anything.
Without knowing each other, we added salt. That's why it becomes salty.
Very sorry.
Don't worry, beta.
But everyone teased me, Mom.
Gita, don't try, beta.
I felt that I would enjoy the picnic, but it will be a bad memory in my life, in my school.
Don't remember it.
Gita, next time we will make mutton for your friends, ma. Don't try. Hey.
No, Grandpa.
Listen it. Don't get from your eyes. And next time I will prepare very tasty sambar. Okay?
Okay, Mom. Okay, from this time onwards, I won't forget anything, and I will remember. I won't forget. I will be a responsible person.
Outside the mango, uncle is killing. But
I won't buy any mangoes. If my dad will bring any mangoes, I will take that one only. But I won't buy anywhere outside.
But Gita, you have to improve your memory, ma. It's shameful to all of our family.
Okay, Grandpa. From this day onwards, I will be a very responsible child. Okay? And you also don't scold me always like this. Okay? Okay.